Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to join me today. My name is Ramzi Mubarak, and I am a student at Institut Teknologi Nasional Bandung. I'm excited today to talk to you about communication with art. This is a topic that I am very passionate about, and I believe it is one that is relevant to all of us. Before we start to the main topic, I want to give you an initial explanation regarding this topic. First, what do you think about communication? Okay. Communication is the process of the receiving messages or information from one party to the another. That's the point. Next, what is art? What you guys thinking about this? Okay, art is a creative expression that produces work with aesthetic or emotional value. What is communication with art? What? Okay. Communication with art is the process of conveying messages, ideas, or emotion through works of art. What does topic mean? Most artists they convey information or their feeling by doing art so that the information conveyed does not have a language barrier. That's the point. What is a language barrier? A language barrier is when the people cannot understand each other because they speak different language. Art can overcome language barrier. Art has the power to overcome language barrier, conveying universal emotion, ideas, and messages through a visual and sound. Okay. A painting that depicts the beauty of a nature, a beautiful song that evokes the memories, or a film that evokes deep emotion, like the art speak to us in ways that often can't be expressed in words. And next, universal language. A universal in a universal language is a language that could be understood and by all people around the world, regardless of their cultural or linguistic background. It is often associated with the concept of a common means of communication that transcend national and regional boundaries. Like that, we use art to communication. Artists usually choose art as the main communication tool to convey the messages, the message or emotional they want to convey, whether through with brush strokes on canvas, chisel in stone, or melodic arrangement. Artists harness the power of their chosen medium to express themselves. What should it be art and not something else? Art was chosen to overcome language barrier because it can convey the message and emotional universally through visual element which can be understood without words and are more effective, while other media are often bound by certain language benefit. Many artists utilizes their creative expression to communicate their true emotion and perspective on the world by transcending the limitation of verbal language. Art become a universal medium that can be understood and appreciated by people from diverse cultural and linguistic background. This always art this this allows artists to connect with the audience on deeper level, fostering empathy, understanding, and shared experience. Art has several types, such like visual art, such as painting, drawing, sculpture, use visual element to communicate emotion, ideas, and stories. Painting with their vibrant color and texture can transport viewer to different world. Okay. Next, music art. Another powerful art form used sound to create emotional experience. Classical music with the complex harmonies and intricate melody it can inspire reflection, introspection. Just with the improvisation and syncopated rhythm can ignite the energy and excitement. Pop music with the catchy tunes and relatable lyrics can connect people across cultural and generation. And last, dance. Performing art use their body to convey the emotional and tell the story. Ballet with the graceful movement and precise technique can transport the audience to fantastical realism. Breakdance with its the athleticism and raw energy can challenging perception and inspire creativity. Salsa with the infectious rhythm and partner interaction can bring people together in celebrate enjoy. What kind of information do artists want to tell? What the artists want to tell about with art? First, emotion and feeling. Artists often channel their emotional and feeling into their work, creating pieces of that evoke joy, sorrow, love, anger, and other complex emotions in the viewer. Second, social criticism. Art can be powerful tool for social commentary, challenging social societal norms, injustice, and technique through provoking imagery and narrative. Third, personal story. Many artists use their work to share personal stories and experience, offering glimpses into their lives, struggle, and triumphs. Next, culture and tradition. Art play crucial role in preserving and celebrating cultural heritage. Depicting tradition, ritual, and belief through various forms of expression. Next, values and belief. Art can be reflected and challenge values and belief, and sparking dialogue and encouraging critical thinking about social issue. And the last, point of view. This most important, I think. Artists often use their works to express their unique perspective on the world, offering alternative viewpoint and interpretation of reality. That's where do artists distribute their art? They distribute work of art in museum, online platform, public spaces, and exhibition to convey the information. This diverse channel not only provide opportunities for artists to share their work with a wider audience, but also facilitate cultural exchange, education, dialogue among individuals from different backgrounds. Conclusion: art is a powerful way for artists info to share information and emotion without worrying about language barrier. They can show their work in galleries, museum, online platform, public spaces to reach more people. The message artists share can include feeling, social issues, personal story, and culture. Art is art is chosen because it can communicate that universal message through visual. Okay, enough. That's enough for me. If you guys have any question, you can write down on comment. I will answer that if I can. Thank you for following me, for hearing me talk about communication with art. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.